Hey guys, it's Laura and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really exciting video. This is like probably the best haul I've ever done. Just like, I know I haven't been doing YouTube that long, but like in my life in general. This is kind of a collective haul, so I've been thrifting a lot recently. I went with like my friends and my little sister and I've had some really good luck. And then I've also been doing a lot of shopping on Depop. I've kind of spent all my money on clothes at the minute, I'll be so honest. Probably not being very responsible, but it's okay. I was going to wait to film this because I have one more package on the way. However, the seller's away, so I don't think I'll be getting it for a little while. So I thought I'd just go ahead and show you guys. And yeah, I'm so excited, so we're gonna get straight on with the video. Okay, we're gonna start with my most recent purchase and we'll move like backwards. If you follow me on TikTok, you've already seen these 7 For All Mankind jeans. They're incredible. They're meant to be, they're like a size 31, I think, 31 waist. So they are too big for me. Basically, my fix for this is, since they're only a couple of inches too big and not drastically too big, in where the button is, I'll cut 2 slits and then I will thread a shoelace through and just tie it. You can also do this with like elastic and buttons like kids jeans have, but I'll probably just do a shoelace for now. I love the way these fit because they're so big on me. They're really low rise and I got them for €10. Shout out to my little sister for finding these for me. When we walked, she was like, oh, look at these jeans. And I was like, they're 7 For All Mankind. Are pretty low rise already. I have them cuffed and someone had already hemmed them before. So they have this raw edge when they're cuffed as well, which I think is so cool. Like a big cuff. I've been styling them over Uggs. If I at any point decide like they're just too big, I'll probably sell them at Depop. But for now, I'm definitely gonna keep them and try styling them because I think they'll be great for college. And just like that slouchy fit with a little tight baby tee is perfect. I absolutely adore these. Maybe we'll just go categories. Maybe that makes more sense. Probably does. You're not gonna believe this. Miss Me jeans. When I tell you, you've never seen more beautiful jeans in your life. Look at that. Are you kidding? Are you actually kidding me? Look at the front. The contrast stitching, the big buckle, the bling on the pockets, like the rhinestones. No, it's too good. It's too good. And then they're like kind of distressed. They're really blue jeans and I don't have ones like this blue, so this is a perfect wash for me. There you can see the distressing on the knees. And then they're boot cut. You might notice they're really long and I'm 5'1". My legs have like a 26-inch inseam. It's absolutely ridiculous. I cut off all my jeans. The problem is that these are crazy inseam. Yeah, they're obviously super low rise. You can look at them. They're perfect. They're like right under my hips. And I can like slightly cuff these and then wear them on my Uggs or like thick boots and they just stack really nice. But I honestly really like the stacked over the boot fit and I'm gonna try and get myself a pair of wedge sneakers. If you see me wearing my like chunky wedge sneakers, please don't call me microtrend final boss. You'll hurt my feelings. Please just don't do it. Thank you. That's all. These are my Miss Me jeans. Depop. I got them for I think 50, which I know is a lot, but if you look up Miss Me jeans on Depop or eBay, you'll see they go for like 100 most of the time. Most of the ones in Ireland are like 120. This one, another pair of bottoms, it's a skirt. This is a little bit out there for me, okay? This is something I would have worn when I was like 15, 16, we'll say like 2021, 2022. So it's not so much my styling wear. It is wrinkled because I haven't washed it yet. It is this midi skirt. It's like double layer chiffon. This top one, this top layer is embroidered. As you can see, little leaves. I do love this color. I used to wear a lot more green. I don't wear as much anymore, but I still wear green. And it is A-Wear, which I'm pretty sure is a good brand. So I thought I'd give it a try because it reminded me of Carrie Bradshaw. And it was €1, so why would I pass it up? You know, I mean, because even if I don't like it, one of my sisters might, or I don't know, one of my friends might like it. I'm thinking like brown heeled boots or brown little heels, kitten heels, and a black tube top and a brown leather bag would be very Carrie Bradshaw. That's my vision. It reminds me of like that TikTok sound of how dressed like Carrie Bradshaw. From the same charity shop, we're moving into our next category, I got this amazing Guess bag for €5, which is crazy. I just walked in and I was with my friend. My friends and everything brought me really good look when I was 13 this time around. Usually I thrift by myself, but my friend brought me all the luck in the world with this one. €5 Guess bag. It's the monogram style. Absolutely beautiful. It was in my last video of all my handbags. And then there's like this zebra print on the inside. I'm obsessed. I've worn it a lot. I've thrifted so many handbags recently. So this top I got from a Kilo shop. Oh my god, no, I lied, I'm sorry. This isn't from a Kilo shop. This is from a colored tag shop, and basically the color of the tag tells you how much it is. So generally everything's like cheaper than it would be if it was normally priced. So everything's like 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and the max in this shop is 30, which is great because like you can get jackets in there and everything, which I did, you'll see. But I got this, I would say more 90s than 2000s, but it is 2000s as well. Slinky like halter top. It's a couple of sizes too big, but it's still like nice and tight fitting, and it just means that it's long, so it goes like right down to my hips, which I love on the top because you can obviously wear it then with super low rise. It's like a thick halter, and usually I wouldn't think halters suit me because I don't love my arms, to be honest, but I love this. I think it's so good, and my friend was like, you have to buy it. It was €10, which is obviously more than it would be in a charity shop, but less than it would be on Depop in my mind. Next top I have is off adverts. I think I got this for €2, and then I can't remember. I think it was like €4 shipping. So €6, not bad. Maybe €7. I'm thinking like 2010s Kate Moss slinky cowl neck vibe. So if the neckline's not wide enough, I will cut it and then re-sew it. I'm not sure, I haven't tried it on yet. This is the brand. It says Head Girl. Never heard of it. I'm assuming it's vintage by the tag. But I think this is very cute. It has a really nice like waffly, crinkly texture. I don't know. Finally got my hands on some Juicy. Can't believe it. Again, it's more like early 2000s McBling vibe. This is Black Label kids size 14. So I'm assuming age 14. It's perfect. It's like tight fitting, long sleeves, short torso. It's absolutely incredible. It fits me so good. I'm so excited to finally own some Juicy. I definitely want to get a black Juicy hoodie, and I'd love to get some of the bottoms as well. I am really excited that Juicy has brought back their old line and that you can buy it straight from them now. This was €15, €5 shipping, so €20 off Depop. I can't get over it. I almost snagged like a matching set, but someone else bought it before me. But I do prefer this hoodie over that one. Last thing I have is this vintage bomber jacket, and I just need you to see the vision for a sec because it might look kind of strange on the hanger. It's perfect on. It's so small. It's teeny tiny. It's like so tight. Look at the ruching on the back, like the thick, it's a sparkly gold band. Like, it's incredible. All the details, and it has like the moto thing, you know this thing? Yeah, zippers. It's perfect. I'll try it on. I got this from that same vintage shop, so the tags. This was €15, like fully suede bomber jacket. I'm obsessed with it. I'm very excited to wear it. I'm starting to love this color since, I know you can't tell on camera right now, my hair looks really, really dark brown, but my hair has been a little bit blonder and I've been a bit more tanned. Again, you can't tell I look pale on camera, I look ill today, anyway. But basically lighter colors have been suiting me, so I've been wearing like light handbags and everything. And then even like a long tight tank top underneath. Not this top, but this is how cropped she is. You just ignore the outfit right now, but I love it. I love the ruching. I can't believe the ruching, it's insane. This has kind of left me stuck with a little bit of a Britney angle, but it's okay. I just want to show you the last thing that I bought, and it's on the way, but it's not going to get here on time for the video. So, opening up my Depop, €55. I got it first, it was meant to be 65. This, okay, hope you can see. Leopard print fur jacket. Gorge! It's gonna be a little big on me, but slouchy fit over a dress on a night out. Perfect. That is everything I got. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know in the comments what your favorite piece was. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more from me, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!